Good day everyone, my name is Myra Grace Sarah. Today I will be discuss about lesson 31, the movement of the earth. So the earth moves in several ways including rotations and revolution. Rotations, every day the sun appears to the rays in the east travel across the sky and sit in the west. You can observe this day and a day out. The rotations rotations the earth span on its axis an imaginary line from west to east, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Rotations goes day and night, so that rotations the earth span around the imaginary line which passes through the pole. The axis is a little incline almost 24 hours, and it takes a planet Earth of 24 hours to complete one rotations on its axis, which is the equivalent of 1 day rotations. So this movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. Effect of Earth rotation day and night. So look at figure. This time the illustrations show the sunlight as represented by the arrow in the figure received by the earth on same of its part, making its daytime. For this part facing the sun, on the other hand, the figures also show that the show as the earth rotates, the other side of the earth do not receive sunlight, making its nighttime. On this part of the earth that are not receiving direct sunlight. Revolutions, the second motions of the earth, is that its travel around the sun in space. This movement of the earth around the sun is called revolutions. The earth revolves around the sun in the counterclockwise direction. It takes the earth 1 year or 365 days to revolve around the sun. In figure 3, the arrows show the motions of earth as it revolves around the sun through its orbit. Orbit is an elliptical path space where it takes around the sun. This motions is called revolutions. There are 4 seasons, namely summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Different parts of the earth have different seasons all throughout the year because of the earth revolutions, and the earth tilts at 23.5 degrees as the earth moves around the sun. The earth axis is always tilted in the same directions throughout its orbit. As a result, different parts of the earth receive different amount of the sunlight of different time of the year.